All right, quiet on set. Welcome to the Unfinished Kitchen, where oops is an ingredient in the kitchen and in life. Today we are making waffles. This waffle recipe is really easy. I don't know where this waffle recipe is from, but I wrote it down from somewhere. One of the things that you'll need is a waffle maker. I bought this one off of Amazon like probably 5 or 6 years ago, and I absolutely love it. You don't need anything fancy. It's really easy to store, but I really enjoy this waffle maker. It's super easy to clean, and like I said, just really easy to make waffles. So today, let's go ahead and get started. I typically like to make waffles in this dish because it does come with a lid, so and if I don't make all the waffles, which sometimes I do, I'll make all the waffles and I'll put them in a Ziploc bag, and then we'll eat them throughout the rest of the week, and then I just warm them up in a toaster. Or sometimes, like today is Saturday, so then we'll have fresh waffles maybe tomorrow morning, so I store it in this little container. So to start off, we're going to mix together 2 eggs. You want to make sure your waffle maker is already plugged in because it needs to take time to warm up. This one has specific settings, so it has 1 through 5. We typically keep it on 3, but that just tells you how long it's going to cook for and the doneness that you'll have of your waffle. All right, so we have the eggs. We're gonna mix 1 3/4 cup of milk. This is very typical in my kitchen, to where you're like, oh, I want to make something, and then you look in the refrigerator and you're like, I don't know if I have enough of that. So let's see if we have 1 3/4 cup of milk. So here's 1. And then this measuring cup has a 3/4 cup line in it, which is like super cool. Got it from Costco 2 years ago. And we have enough and enough left for a splash in my coffee. Guess we're getting milk today. All right, get that all mixed in. And then we also have a 1/2 cup of melted butter. And then we'll start to add in our dry ingredients. So we need 2 cups of flour. Oh, and I actually have flour in here. Amazing. Something you definitely need to check when you refill it. And then I need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Get it all nice and fluffy. I need a tablespoon of sugar. And 1/2 teaspoon salt. And that's it. That's all it takes to make these delicious waffles. These waffles will come out nice and fluffy. Just the one thing that you want to gauge is, like with pancakes, you want to gauge the thickness of your batter. So add more milk or flour as needed. I think that this batter is perfectly fine. Again, another reason why I love to use glass is just being able to see that I'm getting everything mixed and incorporated. And you know, you could be a little bit more smarter than I at the moment and use a hand mixer. I got my a electric mixer. I got mine at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and it's quite aggressive and it makes a mess. I don't really use it as often, and whenever you do use it, I only put one attachment in there because two is just a little bit too much. But this also works just fine. And so our mixture is made. I mean, that's literally all it takes. So now I'm going to take my half a cup. And you don't need to season this. You don't need to put butter. I mean, there's already butter in the waffle mixture, so you don't need to do anything to this. And if you want, you can add chocolate chips, which I will do shortly for my husband, or you can add blueberries. I mean, you can truly just make the mixture and dump anything you want into it, and it won't stick, which is, I mean, it sticks like a little, but like it's really easy to come off. So we just put a little bit in here. I can't tell you how many times like that I've put some of the mixture in here and it's overflowed on the sides. So it's just kind of trial and error on how much you think works. So we're going to cook this and we'll be back in 3 minutes. All right, so our waffle is ready. It has a little ready light that it will click, so you'll hear the click to know that it's ready. And it is perfect. We're gonna try and do this while holding a toddler. And I'm gonna put it on his blue plate because this is his waffle. And there you have it. See, it's perfect waffle, and dress it up however you like. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Is that yummy?
The broken.
Yeah. Is that yummy?